Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Syker from Syker at IGCSE. So today I want to talk with you guys about planning your way through IGCSE. The main thing, as I've mentioned before, is that you have only 5 sessions. If you are new to the system and you don't know what sessions are, then you can click on the I right over here or here. You will find my video explaining what is IGCSE. Moving forward, let's say that you are a student who prefers biology over maths. This way you might want to join a medical school or a university of sciences. So you have to start searching for the university that you would like to join. After sorting out a few options depending on the requirements and depending on your abilities to achieve those requirements, right from this point, let's say that this is your plan A, you have to start considering making a plan B. Your plan B can be a lower field with lower requirements than your actual plan A, so that in case you got lower grades in the subjects that you have taken for your plan A, in that case you still have the subjects that you have already taken for your plan B. For example, one of my friends, he wanted to study medical abroad. So to study medicine in a foreign country, you need 3 A levels and around 5 to 6 O levels. And to study medical in Egypt, you need 1 A level and 8 O levels. So what he did is that he finished the 8 O levels and 1 A level for the plan B, which is studying in Egypt. And after he finished those requirements within 4 sessions, he took 2 A levels in the last session. Unfortunately, he failed in the 2 A levels that he took on his 5th session. After the results of the 2 A levels, he decided that he is going to study medicine in Egypt. My advice to all new students or to the people who are in the first or second year of IGCSE is that you have to always make a backup plan, which is your plan B. This way, if your plan A fails, you still have a backup plan. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.